Today I will introduce to you the new function of Lonsdor K518 PRO to obtain P1 P4 page data when all keys are lost. When all the keys are lost, how to use K518 PRO to obtain the P1 or P5 page of the original car key. First, choose any date from the IMO remote, then to generate the emergency key. Put the analog antenna into the card slot, choose any IMO data, return to the home page after successful generation. Then to click the special functions to identify copy chip. Put the antenna into the card slot. The last date obtained shows that page P4 is 8ABA. This video ends here. See you next time.